Here's how to make hummus with pita chips. Slice your pitas in half and then slice the halves into wedges of any size you like. Place the wedges on a baking sheet, brush with some olive oil and salt and pepper, and bake till golden brown. To make the hummus, put chickpeas and garlic in a food processor and pulse till broken down. Add tahini, lemon juice, and cumin, and pulse again. Now you're going to add water a little bit at a time till you get the consistency that you like, and serve with those pita chips and crudité.